Okay, so I posted one like 5 minutes ago, but I realized you can't hear the piano. So here we go again. Tell me that you're alright, that everything is alright. Please tell me that you're alright, that everything is alright. Give me a reason to end this discussion, to break the tradition, to fold and divide. 'Cause I hate the ocean, theme parks and airplanes, talking with strangers, waiting in line. We threw it these spells that make me sit still. Are you feeling fine? I feel just fine. In the years go by like stones under rushing waters, and we only know when it's gone. And the years go by like stones under rushing water, and we only know when it's gone. I'm sick of these things I do, and I'm nervous, like cleaning the oven or checking my tires, counting the number of tiles in the ceiling, head for the hills, the kitchen's on fire. Used to rely on self-medication, I guess I still do that from time to time. I'm getting better at fighting the future, someday you'll be fine. I feel just fine. In the years go by like stones under rushing water. We only know when it's gone. And the years go by like stones under rushing water. We only know when it's gone. Why don't we dance anymore? I'm not okay with that. So give me a reason to end this discussion, to break with tradition, to fold and divide. So let's not get carried away with the process of elimination. I don't want to waste your time, and the years go by like stones under rushing water, and we only know when it's gone. And the years go by like stones under